Welcome back to day 6 of the AI challenge. Today I've got 3 powerful AI tools that will literally save you hours of work. These tools are hidden gems most people don't even know about, so stick around till the end because these might just change the way you work forever. First up, we have Perplexity AI. Think of it like Google search but on steroids. Instead of wasting time going through 10 different websites, Perplexity gives you one clear conversational answer with sources included. Imagine asking a complex question and getting a direct, research backed response instantly. It's like having a personal research assistant in your pocket. Next is 11 Labs. This tool creates ultra realistic AI voices that sound almost human. Whether you're making YouTube videos, podcasts, or even audiobooks, this tool can give your content professional narration without you ever recording a single line. And the best part? You can generate voices in multiple languages and accents. That's global content creation made simple.
And finally, we have Otter AI, and this one is a total game changer for anyone who attends meetings, lectures, or interviews. Otter doesn't just record your conversations, it transcribes them live, captures key points automatically, and even generates summaries you can share instantly. You're in these 1 hour meeting. Instead of scribbling notes and missing half the conversation, Otter listens for you, writes everything down, and by the time the meeting ends, you already have a full transcript and a clean summary. That means you can focus on talking, not typing. Honestly, this is like having a personal secretary powered by AI. So, that's day 6 of the AI challenge. Which one of these tools blew your mind the most? Was it Perplexity's research power, 11 Labs' human like voices, or Otter's live meeting notes? Drop your favorite in the comments below. Smash that like button if you learned something new, and don't forget to subscribe because tomorrow, day 7, I've got even bigger surprises waiting for you.